Good morning, dear friends and subscribers and followers. I woke up this morning and it was a bit hot in the tent because the sun was already a bit up. And what's better than jump into a freshwater lake in the morning? It's beautiful. Yeah, great way to start the day. Gonna head more to the direction of Buenos Aires today. That's the plan. Trying to get to the next lake for tomorrow's swims in the morning, and yeah, think I should be in Buenos Aires in the next 2 days or something. Well, that's about it. Gonna dry up, pack everything and hit the road. This is a rough road. Here we go, everything is well packed up. Thank you, Mother Earth, for this beautiful spot here. And time to ride. Good morning, Roma. Look back if I didn't forget anything. All garbage gone. Excellent. Awesome.
Esta vez yo me fui, amor, y vos me dejaste ir. No sabemos qué pasó, no sabiendo quién falló. Yo ya me fui de ahí, amor. Un hermoso infierno, amor, pudo haber sido mejor, pero ya no queda nada entre vos y yo. No sabemos qué pasó, no sabiendo quién falló. Yo ya me fui de ahí, amor. Cuando el viento me llevó al oeste por amor.
Yep, I was trying it before while riding, putting some sunscreen on, but there's a lot of side winds. And when you don't have any hand on your bar, and then you get overtaken by a truck with the side winds, it doesn't feel so cool. So quickly stopped, filled up my tank, what is this? There's una tapa, huh? Sí. Yeah, una tapa. Buena. Okie dokie. I'm in, I think it's called General Leval or Levalle. Just a little town, and all around is, it's incredible how green it is. I thought it would be much more yeah, desert-like, but it isn't. And here we go, everything is fine. This is fixed, boom, 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 boom. Nice. Hit the road again. Gotta take another little break here, and since there's some nice eucalyptus trees, they smell good, I stay and smoke a ciggy. It's quite amazing. I thought it's much drier, but I'm riding since like 600 kilometers through best farming land for cattle and growing corn, and it's unbelievable. Argentina is bloody rich, man. Wow. Here we go, nice little stop, had a drink, a smoke. Heading on 150 kilometers more to the east. I'm gonna find a nice spot in the shade by a lake maybe. Let's see. Let's go. Hey guys, here well, so I decided to find a wild camp spot. What was looking like a lake was just like a huge, yeah, it was a lake, but not very deep. Lots of mosquitoes. So I went further on and I found this little, there's the main street over there. There was a little dirt road coming in here and going up here, and so I thought this nice little I don't know what trees these are. Well, I found this nice spot here and I'm gonna camp here. Gotta do some little maintenance for the chain of my motorcycle because I heard a little noise when I was riding it, and you see it's quite loose. Yeah, you see this is like, okay, not here. Yeah, I need to change my drive. Maybe do it in Rosario. I do it in 400 kilometers. I'm in Buenos Aires. Got a few days there, so I think I'm gonna change my this wheel in Buenos Aires. Well, 30,000 kilometers with all this off-roading is quite okay, I think. Still, well, now gotta set up tent. Beautiful space. I got water, I got drinks. So yeah, well, it's the second Christmas day. And again, it's hot. Yeah, quick update. I tightened my chain. It was quite loose, but there's, yeah, when you get older, you know, there's one spot where it's got more, it's more flexible, and oh, there's a car coming. Hello. And it tightens and gets more loose, but yeah, it was like, yeah, I had to do almost 5 millimeters to 1 centimeter to tighten it up. So that's done. Set up my tent, set up the luggage new, and yeah, and tomorrow I go to Rosario. I wrote some friends on a WhatsApp group, the Triumph Motorcycle Club of Argentina. There's some friends there. If because the motorcycle club in Rosario is the oldest motorcycle club in Argentina, at least in Argentina. I'm not sure if not in whole South America. And yeah, I was asking if I can set up my tent there or can sleep in the clubhouse. Let's see, gonna find out tomorrow. And there's another car coming. What's going on now? Need silence. I'm doing video production here. Fuck! And yeah, it was a hot day, sweaty, but here in the shade of the trees it's quite okay. So yeah, gonna eat a little bit and then sleep. Get up in the morning, make coffee. Nice. Life is good. Good night.